Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Ilyas, and today I will review a tutorial about a prototyping tool that is Mockups. This video clip is submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the course of Advanced Human Computer Interaction by Dr. Anjum Javed Sheikh. And first of all, what is prototyping? Prototyping is an early sample model that is used to design semantics or design or any software programming to evaluate a new design to enhance the precision by system analysts and users. Prototyping is generally used to evaluate a new design to enhance precision by system analysts and users. The prototype tool which I will discuss today, I will tell the tutorial is Mockups. Mockups is a prototyping tool that is used for interactive prototypes. It is a streamlined web app that helps the users to create diagrams, designs, and prototypes. Cost, it is basically it depends upon the number of objects used in creating any prototype. Its time limit for a free trial. If any user is for a free trial, they can use at most up to 200 objects. If any user wants to use more than 200 objects in its prototypes, then he will purchase it after some cost. Otherwise, if its prototype is less than 200 objects, then it is free of cost. Next point runs on it runs on both OS, iOS, and Windows. The best point is that it is a web app and it can also runs on Chrome without directly downloading it. Ease of use, it is easy to use as it is simply drag and dropping, so it is quite easy for the beginners, novice to expert. And to become an expert in this software, the user may take 2 to 3 weeks in this software. It is easy as it is most of things are already available. There is just dragging and dropping, so for beginners, they can become an expert easily. Versatility, you can create amazing prototypes by using this tool. It has icon sets and stencils, and you won't require to import other items from outside, which saves our time. The next introduction about mockups. It is a web-based application for designers primarily used for making quick wireframes and detailed prototypes. It has an amazing library of icons, stencils, and font family which you can use. It has a free as well as a paid version. Cost, it is free of cost, as I have already told that it is free up to the limits of objects being used. If anyone wants to use the objects up to 200, it's free. Otherwise, if they want to use more than the 200 objects, they have to pay for it. And it runs on Chrome, Windows, Android, iOS. Next features of this software. The first feature is flexible workflow. It allows the designers, developers, and the project managers to customize their design workflow. Extensive library. It has icon sets and instances already built in, so you won't require to import any other objects from outside. It's because of it saves our times. The next is prototypes and animations. You can create animated prototypes through linking artboards. These prototypes can be previewed on the supported mobile devices and on the next easy sharing. Easy sharing, it is a cloud-based web. It is a cloud-based application, so it's easy to share with people who are miles away. Drag and drop technology. It is there is a very easy for using it, as it has a drag and drop technology which helps the new user to create this easily. Pros, This template provided for smart, it also provided templates for smartphones and tablets, and there are no extra plugin required. No extra plugins are required, and cons of these are the negative point of this software is that it only opens one project at a time. If you want to open two or three projects at a time, it doesn't support like this feature. Second thing is that the some images when displayed, it may be unclear when the display is zoomed. The next steps for downloading the mockups, you can download it, but the plus point is that you can simply open it in the web browser. There is no need to download it. You can directly open it into the Chrome, and you can complete your work. The first thing is that when you open this file mockup software, when you open this mockup software, it gives you a plenty of templates which will help you a lot in creating your prototype. For example, if you want to create a blank project or any landing page, wireframe, flowchart diagram, it also helps you to create the flowchart diagrams, site maps. You can see there are plenty of templates already available there, and you can use any template which you want, just like here network diagrams, organizational chart. There are also wireframes and mockups option in which you can use the landing page wireframe or any admin dashboard, mobile wireframe, e-commerce, and then business strategies. In this, you can create the user personal performa raise roadmap. There are plenty of templates which you can use according to your need, whatever you want to make prototype. Any type of prototype can be made in this one software. You can see here is the use if you want to create any user story map or any analysis. The next is diagrams and flows. You can also, this software helps you to create the database diagrams, UML diagrams. Different database diagrams can be built by using this software. All the platforms are available. The plus point is that you can just open this platform and sorry templates, and you can update your own according to your own need. But if you don't want to use these templates, you can just create a blank project here and start creating the project according to your need. The next last thing is here charts and graphs. This also this software also helps you to create the graphs and charts. Just like here there is the sales funnel chart, simple donut chart. You can create any type of chart you want to create. And if you don't match any template here, you can just create a blank project and you can start doing your own project here. Let's suppose I have created a blank project here. Now you can see here a blank project is open. In this blank project is open. So here you can see at the side there is also again option of insert templates. If you again want to insert any template, you can insert by clicking this option. The next thing is the stencils. There are a number of stencils that you want to use. For example, rectangle, note, if you want to insert paragraph, if you want to create any link, any button, submit button, if you want to create. All these are created already here. I have already told that they are a free plan, so you can see here it is written that 200 objects I can use. because this is a free plan, and if I want to use more than 200 objects, I have to pay for this. The next, these all are the list of stances which I need to use in any prototype. Next, pages, they here will be the pages. If you want to create new page, you can create the pages according to your need, how many pages you want to need. The next is outline. This is basically the outline of the buttons. Next, templates, images. If you want to insert any images, you can click over here and can insert the image from from your laptops or from Google Chrome. The next is icons. Here, built-in icons are provided, so the user doesn't need to download any icon separately. They can simply drag and drop the icons and can use these icons in their prototyping links. Any icon which they want to use, they can use it easily without any downloading and any time wasting. The next is comments. You can add any comment which you want to add in there in your prototype. Next, here is the diagram option. In this diagram option, this first option, this is used for linking basically, and the next is for pencil tool, polygon, rectangle. These are the shapes which you want. If you want to create any shape, you can create by using this one tool. The next one is the line, arrow, text, and this. The next you can see here are the interactions. When you create the interactions by using this diagram, you can overview your interactions by from this. For example, if I click on button, you can see here option is add interaction. Click on or tap. When you will select the options that which type of interaction you want, whether you click or tap, right click, double click, mouse over, mouse out. Any type of interaction you want, you can select. For example, I am selecting he click or tap. After clicking or tap, they will ask what type of action you want, whether you want to move to the next page, previous page, or go to any specific page, or go to any URL, etc. You can select any action which you want to be done on this specific button. There are list of actions given. You can select any action which you want to do. After that, you can preview. There is an option of preview. You can click on this option preview, and you can view your all the prototyping links, or whether they are working properly or not. If there is any problem, you can simply go back to edit this project, and you will come back to this page, and you can edit the if any link is not working properly, you can edit it easily. After that, I have used the template of wire a mobile application, and I have designed a sign in page. I have designed this by using the templates and the icons here. So to preview this, I will click on the preview button. This is the sign in page. I have created here a prototyping a link that whenever I click on the sign in page, I move to this sign in page. I have After clicking on that page, I am on the sign up page, and when the user can sign up, they can move to the home page. So on the continue button, I have added a link to go to the home page. So when I click on this page, I am on the home page, and I have added some icons here to just check whether they are working properly or not. So up till now, I all the links which I added here are working properly. So, this was my this as an example. I have done this to check whether this prototype links are working properly or not. The conclusion of this complete software is that There are plenty of wireframing prototypes which the user can use. There are plenty of prototyping tools which the user can use, and each of them have their own features. So mockup is quite application which take place of your wireframing and prototyping needs perfectly. It is the right tool for the job and is lightning fast and easy to learn. There are many other wireframing tools like Adobe XD, OmniGraffle, Lucidchart, all of which have the features unique to them that makes them stand out. While we do agree none of them are perfect, it's not always about the tool, but how well you use it to make our lives easy. So I hope this video will help you for about the knowledge of the mockups tool. Thanks for listening.